Given the matrix equation mxy equals 7, 16, where m equals 2, -3, 5, -6, represent a set of simultaneous linear equations. A. Write the set of simultaneous linear equations. M equals this is multiplication of matrix. For multiplication of matrix, always the row multiplied by column, row multiplied by column. First row of the matrix multiplied by the first column equals first row, first column, that is 7. Then what is the meaning? First row multiplied by first column. It means 2 times x, 2x, and -3 times y, -3y, equals 7. Then the second row of this matrix multiplied by the first row of this matrix equals the second row and first column of this matrix, that is 16. Second row, first column, second row, first column. It means 5 times x, 5x, and -6 times y, -6y, equals 16. So, these two equations are the set of simultaneous linear equations. B. Given Mn equals Nm equals I, find matrix N. The solution B. M equals we know that matrix A multiplied by inverse of matrix A equals inverse of matrix A multiplied by matrix A equals I. I is identity matrix. Based on these formulas, we know that N must be the inverse matrix of this matrix. Means N is inverse matrix of M. So we need to find the inverse matrix. How do we find the inverse matrix of M? 1 per 2 multiplied by -6 minus -3 multiplied by 5. Then we swap the locations of 2 and -6. Then both -3 and 5 multiplied by -1. So N equals, this fractions equals 1 per 3. Then we bring down this matrix. And -3 equals 3. Then all these 4 numbers multiplied by 1 per 3. So this is the inverse matrix of M. C. Hence, by using the matrix method, calculate the values of x and y, which satisfies the simultaneous linear equation in A. Firstly, we write the simultaneous linear equations into the matrix form. How? Firstly, 2, -3, 5, and -6 as a matrix. Then xy as this matrix equals 7 and 16, like this matrix. Then we need to find the x and y. Hence, we need to find the inverse matrix of this matrix. The inverse matrix of this matrix is n. After that, we must do the multiplication of matrix. And this is the answer. How do we get 2? It means negative 2 multiplied by 7 plus 1 multiplied by 16. How do we get negative 1? Negative 5 per 3 multiplied by 7 plus 2 per 3 multiplied by 16. So x is 2 and y is negative 1. And you must write this line. This line equals 2 marks.